Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Boomerang video on Snapchat on mobile. Whether you're on an iPhone or Android device, the steps remain the same. First, let's open up Snapchat. Once in the app, you'll simply tap on the record button as you'll normally do. And after you have recorded your snap, you'll simply scroll down from the options in the right hand corner and you will see snap timer. You're going to tap on that. Then you'll see the option bounce. You can tap on it one more time. You'll see play once and you'll tap on it again and you'll now see the loop option, meaning it will repeat, and that's it. You can do that, or you could select the bounce option. Then you can simply tap on send and that's it.